Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Well, I've got quite a pile of scrap wood out here. Some of this stuff is going to actually be useful. Like I can make bench tops out of this piece of 3/4 inch plywood. Those long boards there are going to go towards making raised bed flower gardens. Well, not flower gardens, vegetable gardens. Make it so that Lydia doesn't have to bend over to run the garden anymore. And I got a bunch of scrap steel yet to cut up. So having this warm weekend is going to be very nice. It is Mother's Day weekend, so we're going to be doing that because, you know, Mom, we got to take care of Lydia and make sure everybody's happy. And we got the kids coming down on Sunday along with Ryan and Sarah, and it's going to be a great day. So I'm going to be working on this today. This is Thursday, so I've got plenty of time before the weekend comes. It's supposed to be warm weather for the next 3 days. No rain. I think this is going to be great. Well, I got all the retaining wall blocks up around the plum tree picked up. I still have to do the pear tree. And I've got, the first thing I did is I started putting the blocks over here on this stump, and it doesn't look good. So I want to put them in the back of the truck, take them around back, set them on a pallet. I still have to get the forklifts put back on the back of the tractor so that I can use that to haul things around. But that'll be a little bit of time before I get that far. But we're making progress. I'm coming back from a long recovery. Feeling good. I'm only doing a little bit every day. Not trying to do it all at once. I just want to get maybe one stack of those blocks off the stump over there and in the back of the truck so I can take them back and set them on a pallet in the backyard. Have them a place where I can get to them, but they're out of the way and not quite so obvious as sitting on a stump in the front yard. So it's just a matter of time. Got to put in the effort, make it happen.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.